Today, on the Super Brick Building channel, we're going to make this Lego airplane using this Lego Creator set, and this is video 3 out of 3, so let's get started. There we have it, our finished Lego Creator airplane. Thanks for watching Super Brick Building, and please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, and give this video a thumbs up, and leave a comment below. I would love to see what you want me to make next. And if you haven't done this, watch my other 2 videos on how to make a Lego Creator helicopter and a Lego Creator hovercraft. Before you go, if you want your airplane to have something so it can land, just take some wheels and put them right here and the others right here. So now your airplane, when it's flying, it's going to land and land smoothly. Also, if you want to have a tail dragger airplane, just take this off and this off, move this all the way to the front of your airplane, and move this to the back of your airplane where there's the tail. Just click it on like this. So now your airplane can take off and land like this. Thanks again for watching Super Brick Building.